hate it when I get my Schwartz twisted. Okay.
Fucking go! Fuck, seriously. Piece of shit.
I can be in a higher gear than I normally would be and ride up a hill that I normally would never get, where I might be, you know, in granny gear. Because if you dropped a granny gear in this, it's because I've got so much torque in the bike. I can be in a higher gear than I normally would be and ride up a hill that I normally would never get, where I might be, you know, in granny gear. Because if you dropped a granny gear in this, it's you fucking moron. Sorry, they just cut me off.
But I don't know that it will come to a small cinema. Wasn't we just behind that?
What?
We're not stopping!
You fuckwit!
Jesus!
Hippies! Fuck all you!
And so, I'm still baffled that this guy actively tells people in 1985, in print, bragging, he's proud that he told people his Mystic is no good because he wanted them to listen. He wanted to be the gatekeeper for the tastes of the people at his store. Through Iron Man's comms, he is hearing and we're admiring Wonder Man's costume. And he's Captain America, Vision, Iron Man, Scarlet Witch, and Wonder Man. He is being spoken to through his comms by Ant-Man.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Were you born an asshole? Or did you work at it your whole life? Either way it worked out fine, 'cause you're an asshole tonight. Yes, you're an A-S-S-H-O-L-E. And don't you try to blame it on me. You deserve all the credit. You're an asshole tonight. You were an asshole yesterday. You're an asshole tonight. And I've got a feeling you'll be an asshole the rest of your life.
You're a dickhead. Fuck me, you
Brisbane have always had a barbecue steak, whatever you want, bacon and eggs, whatever you want.
Who's on the barbie? Who's Springer?
Yeah, little Lego man. So basically you call him Lego man.
That is not a lie.
Oh no, like that, mate, if you like, if there's no egg in your arse, you can fix like a flip on your thing so you get 33 pounds like you're after.
Only players get eggs, by the way, media or anybody else. Only players get the egg. Yeah, unless you're a player or a former player, no one gets an egg.
Jesus. Fucking Mustang drivers.
Finish year 10, remember, not good.
I think you're going the wrong way there, mate. Doing a bit of jousting, mate.
We got one!
Might try to carry yourself. Oh shit.
You are stupid.
My name is Sheriff Buford T. Justice. I have just apprehended the bandit.
What the fuck is that?
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine? Out of a DeLorean?
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style?
My calculations are correct. When this baby hits 88 miles per hour, you're gonna see some serious shit.